नमस्कार दोस्तों, कानन डॉट सीओ की ओर से मैं ध्रुदीप ठक्कर आप सभी का तहे दिल से धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूं। अब तक हम आपको देश विदेश की खबरों से रूबरू करवाते आ रहे थे, लेकिन अब वक्त है ग्राउंड रिपोर्टिंग का। हमारी साथी, हमारी सहयोगी तान्या आपको आज हम्बर कॉलेज की सैर करवाएगी। तो अगर अभी तक आपने हमारी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए, बेल आइकॉन भी आप प्रेस कर दीजिए ताकि आने वाले वीडियो की जानकारी आपको मिलती रहे। ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोगों तक ये वीडियो को शेयर कीजिए और देखते रहिए कानन वीजा इनसाइट्स।
I am Tanya. I was an international student and now I'm working over here in Canada. So I used to study in Humber College Lakeshore campus, and today I'm going to be exploring the Lakeshore campus once again, going down the memory lane and showing you guys a glimpse of what your future college looks like. So let's go explore Humber College, and I'll also give you a few facts about the college and a few tips about it. So hope you're excited. Humber College is located in Etobicoke, specifically in Lakeshore Etobicoke. While I walk to the bus stop, let me explain to you in detail कितना दूर है Humber College यहाँ से. So it's a straight ride. कार से तो hardly 4 to 5 minutes. बस से भी 5 to 10 minutes. And if you go walking, it's like 1.5 to 2 kilometers. So again, like 15 to 20 minutes. I'll put down a Google Maps picture here to show you in more detail कि कहाँ exactly ये located है from the location where I started. So you need to take the 501 bus from Long Branch Loop. So I'm just waiting over here for the bus. While I wait, let me show you what this is. So guys, this is the Presto card. So this is basically a transit card here in Ontario. So आपको कहीं पे भी जाना होगा, अगर आपको TTC यूज़ करना है, अगर आपको पब्लिक ट्रांजिट यूज़ करना है, you can use this card. You can load this card up with money and you can tap it whenever you're entering the public transit. So each ride costs 3.25 Canadian dollars. So around 200 Indian rupees के around cost करता है each ride. So now when I enter into the bus, I'll have to tap this and then I'm good to go for 2 hours. And 2 घंटे में मैं कहीं पे भी जा सकती हूँ. So that's how you use the Presto card. And this is where Humber College starts. ये Humber Commons building है. And यही Humber residence भी है. So if you're going to decide to stay in Humber itself in the college, you'll be staying in this building. वहाँ पे ही लोग रहते भी हैं, वहीं पे लाइब्रेरी है, then there's also a cafeteria here and there are a few classrooms too, and our computer labs also used to be over here. I'm outside the Humber College Welcome Center right now. So this is where you'll be getting your college ID card and आपको जो भी college से related questions होंगे, so you can ask them over here. This is the Welcome Center. And talking about transit guys, so if you want to take the subway, then the closest station from Humber College is the Kipling subway station, and वहाँ से आपको 44 नंबर की बस लेनी है to reach Humber College. And the frequency of the subway and the bus both are really nice. So commute wise, अगर आप college से दूर भी रहो to save rent or just because it's more convenient for you, you'll still be able to reach college without any problem. And also rent cycles here if you like cycling. This is my favorite part of the Humber campus. I love how there's like a huge space here surrounded by buildings. It's really nice and it feels so spacious. I really like it. And we used to have classes in almost all of our buildings. Mainly the L building, which is this, but उसके अलावा दूसरे buildings में भी होते थे हमें classes. And the good thing about this college is that each building has a different vibe. So हर बार आप जब एक दूसरे building में जाओगे, you will see a different vibe and you never get bored. Usually colleges में ऐसा होता है कि there's only one building and that's it. But the thing I like about this campus is कि बहुत सारे buildings हैं and बहुत सारी different जगहें हैं to explore. So while I'm here, let me tell you a few things about Humber College which will help you decide कि आपको इस college में पढ़ना भी है कि नहीं. So number one thing is that this college is highly reputed, but यहाँ पे admission में ना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है. So you need to have a good score to be in this college, and because application fee is $75, so you need to be careful कि admission आपको शायद मिलेगा, but there's a possibility कि ना भी मिले. And another thing is that Humber takes a lot of time to respond to applications. So अगर आपने admission के लिए apply किया है, for example me, when I applied, I got an acceptance after almost 3 to 4 months. So बहुत सारा waiting है and बहुत patience की ज़रूरत है. So if you have applied for Humber and आपको अब तक response नहीं मिला, it is completely normal and chances are you will get admission. Another thing is because this college is highly reputed, to maintain the standards उनकी पढ़ाई काफ़ी strict है. So be prepared to do a lot of projects and to do a lot of assignments, to take your studies seriously, to attend college. बहुत टाइम आपको कॉलेज को अपने पार्ट टाइम के ऊपर प्रायोरिटी देनी पड़ेगी. So if you're coming to not pay attention to studies and just do a part-time job or just take things lightly, just enjoy, then this might not be the one for you because थोड़ा सा difficult है Humber पे पढ़ाई. Especially the course that I did was very difficult and very time consuming, but I've heard from others too कि उनके courses भी difficult है. So you need to keep that in mind before applying to Humber. So Humber के 3 campuses है. The one that I'm here at is the Lakeshore campus, the second one is the North campus, and the third one is the IGS, which is International Graduate School. अगर आपको Lakeshore campus में अपना course नहीं मिल रहा है, no problem. The other 2 campuses are also very good. The IGS campus in fact is located in downtown Toronto, so उसकी location तो और भी ज़्यादा अच्छी है. And the North campus is good if you want to save money on rent because it's comparatively cheaper over there. So ये 3 option है आपके पास. The faculty over here is highly reputed, बहुत अच्छी faculty है, तो आपको उसमें कोई problem नहीं होगी and you will get good education if you're here. So now I've told you a lot about the college, I've given you a few tips. Now let's see if this building is open. If it's open तो मैं आपको अंदर से दिखा दूँगी. This is the main entrance of Humber campus and this is Humber Lakeshore right here. So यहाँ से ट्राई करते हैं अगर डोर ओपन होता है कि नहीं. And this is the place where all of the fun stuff used to happen. All of the pop-ups, all of the games, the stalls, सब कुछ यहाँ पे होता था. This is the most happening place, the L campus of Humber College. And फिलहाल ये पूरा खाली है. When I used to study here, it used to be a 24 hours campus. So when we had late night projects, assignments, we used to come here and do it over here. Seeing the campus with me. I hope to see you all in Canada really soon. I'm going to head back home and I'll show you around the area a little more so that you know how Lakeshore looks like. And it's a really happening area, it's a busy area, so यहाँ पे बहुत सारे part-time job opportunities है. There are grocery stores around, there are a lot of restaurants over here, so jobs मिलना easy है in this area itself. And इस एरिया में नहीं तो डाउनटाउन is not too far away from here, it's just 1 bus ride away, so you can head to downtown as well for your part-time or your full-time job. But overall this area is pretty accessible and it's a great place to be. I'm going to head back home now and I hope you guys enjoyed this little campus tour of Humber College and some tips about this college as well. Video. I hope you found it informational, and if you would like to see more such content, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel, and we will come up with more such content. See you guys.